How to fix WeChat unusual network or device environment. To start things off, open your settings and scroll down until you locate your WeChat application. After finding your WeChat app, click on it and turn off the background app refresh. Wait a few seconds and then turn it on once again. After doing so, go to your general settings and click on your iPhone storage. And once again locate your WeChat application. Click on it and proceed to offload your application. After offloading your application, reinstall the app and you're all set. Thanks for watching and subscribe.